Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted destination for real, informative product reviews. Today, we're spotlighting the best dermaplaning razor for peach fuzz and exfoliation. The friendly razor dermaplaning tool for face. This isn't just another facial razor. It's a compact beauty tool that's making waves in at-home skincare, and we're about to dive into exactly why. At first glance, the design is clean and eco-conscious. The handle is made of wheat straw. Yes, an eco-friendly alternative to plastic, which gives it a light but sturdy feel. Each pack comes with 3 facial razors, each fitted with a single, high-quality Japanese steel blade. That might sound simple, but it's incredibly effective. The blade itself is sharp but safely guarded, allowing you to glide it across your skin with confidence. There's no need to worry about nicks or cuts, even if you're a first-timer. What makes dermaplaning special is that it doesn't just remove fine hair, commonly known as peach fuzz. It also exfoliates the top layer of your skin, removing dead skin cells, dirt, and trapped oil. That's right, you're not only getting a smoother complexion, but also boosting the effectiveness of your skincare products and improving how your makeup sits on your face. A smoother canvas equals a better blend and longer wear time. This tool is especially great for prepping your skin before applying foundation or tinted moisturizer. Another standout benefit? Portability. These razors are compact and come with a safety lid made from the same wheat straw material, making them easy to toss into a handbag or travel kit. Whether you're at home, at the office, or traveling, you can freshen up your brows or tackle unwanted facial hair anytime. The recommended usage is every 3 to 4 weeks. That's just once a month for noticeably clearer, smoother, and glowier skin. And while many razors dull after a couple of uses, these blades maintain sharpness long enough to give you great value across the 3-count pack. In a world flooded with skincare fads and complicated tools, the friendly razor dermaplaning tool brings it back to basics: safe, effective, and sustainable facial care. If you're ready to try dermaplaning or looking for a reliable upgrade, this tool is absolutely worth checking out. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and drop a comment below if you've tried this tool or have a favorite facial razor we should review next. Thanks for watching Product Critique, where every product has its moment to shine. See you next time.